Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this morning is another crazy morning for me. I like to try and organize my day, but I also like to try and organize the whole week, especially on a Monday morning, and today is a Monday morning. We are halfway through hair, so I'm trying to plan my day because today is a bit crazy. I've got a really busy day at the office, but obviously I'm filming and I'm gonna pop to the exhibition circle and learn about art, which is something I'm passionate about. So I've got to fit that in this morning, but my team has a really busy morning. In fact, they've had a really busy 2 weeks. I want to find a way of doing something special for them today as a little surprise, because they've really had long days, long nights. Since I've got 20 minutes left, I'm going to see if I can make some calls and organize lunch on Saturday with my children, book something in, book my date day with my husband on Friday morning, and plan a dinner for us on Saturday evening. So I'm going to do that whilst I'm doing my hair. I've already this morning, whilst I was doing my hair, planned in the course that I want to do this month. It's actually a course about Final Cut, which is an editing software program, which James is obviously going to be very good at, but I am not. And I may never be very good at it, but I want to learn how to use it, at least if I ever need to. Usually when I'm trying to learn something, I've planned it into my kind of weekly plan of family, goals, work, whatever else, which I've got another video on. So again, that video will be linked down below if you do want to know how I plan my week and days. So that little course I planned in this morning. The things that I need to plan in and book, I tend to do when I'm doing my hair. It just gives me kind of 20-30 minutes to make calls and book. So here we go. So first call is actually going to be to my husband to ask him where he wants to have lunch on Saturday. I hope he doesn't say home. Yes, that's it. Petite beef. Petit beef. He doesn't want to stay at home. So there is a new place. I don't know what it's like, whether it's any good. I've been told it's good. It's called, I think, La Petite Beef, which kind of sounds a bit weird. I put La Petite Weird. Let's see if it's open to call. This saves me so much time on the weekends, I can't tell you. Potentially that's good jazz music, but not. Hi, how are you? Amazing, thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Thanks, bye.
Take care, bye-bye.
My God, these days I feel like I've got to give them my life to book a table. I gave up my credit card details, my phone number, my email. I felt like she was going to ask me my date of birth to come for lunch. Sunday looks like it's going to be a very chilled out day. I'm going to call a friend of mine quickly to see if she wants to get her kids together with my kids so that I don't need to book anything for Sunday afternoon and we can just have a kind of family chilled day. Hi, my love. So yes, Thursday the 10th. Will you confirm if that works for you? Love you, miss you, will call you later. Finally, my daytime date, which I have left open for Friday, is going to be actually a gallery tour with my husband, but that's already organized, so I'm done, that's done, and I think we're ready for the week. That is done, so that's pretty good. Right, now I'm gonna go get changed and then plan my team. So this, gosh, I can't remember whether I got from Sandro or Mage, but it's one of those. And actually, funny story, I saw this, I went to Paris for a night or two away with my husband, and I saw this woman in Paris in maybe she must have been in her 70s, absolutely stunning woman, and was beautifully dressed. And I got to tell you, I copied her outfit. She was wearing this skirt, and I love telling this story because this woman looked so incredible, you know, in Paris. Oh my goodness. So you see the most beautifully dressed women, and it doesn't matter what age they are, they really look after themselves. It's something I love about Paris. The same trip in Paris on the second night, just before I left, I found this skirt and I was so excited. I thought, my goodness, I'm going to dress just like her. And so the belt is from Anna Fontaine. Actually, she's my favourite shirt maker, although I'm not actually wearing a shirt of hers, but I am wearing her belt. It's one of my favourite belts. I've had it forever. It's a Zara white shirt, a Zara earrings, kind of tribal look earrings, which I love. Everyone knows I love big earrings. And again, I got some Zara boots, my kind of cowboyish boots. Anyway, that's my look. And to pair it up, finally, I've got, this jacket from Sakai, which is also from Paris. Super interesting jacket. I like these interesting pieces. I'm going into the office. I'm going to go and see my girls. Okay, so I'm obviously having to pop down to the office and making sure that I touch base with all my team members, which I love doing in the morning, and I think they would like me to do as also, because they obviously get to ask me anything they need to in the morning and then can go on with their days, hopefully without me, but with me kind of poking my head in at different moments. Excitingly, we've been thrown a kind of positive curveball. And in one of the properties that we're designing for a client, we didn't initially have any wall space in the entrance. And, we just went with it because we had to work with what we had. The contractor, because of the way he's built out the kitchen that sits behind that wall, has actually given us a wall in the entrance, which we did not know we could have. We've realized that we can actually use this wall as a big feature for the entrance, and we really didn't have a big kind of feature entrance. The slight issue is we need to deliver in a couple of weeks, and I don't have time to order new stuff. So we're having to deal with this, and I want to really cover this issue this morning so we can get moving with it and find a solution ASAP. That was supposed to be a really nice opening and I realized it was jammed. Good morning. Okay, so I want to tell you something. We actually need 3, but for Friday and not for her, for a different client, because I've just been told that we have a massive client who wants they were going to go for a different designer. Now, having spoke to the group, they've decided that actually they'd quite like to see our designs. The other thing I need for you to do is to pass to Chloe's entrance area that she needs to take full responsibility of today, because it needs to be A, done today, and B, you've got to work on GS. So I think I know you can, but I don't want you here till like midnight. So I want you to go home. Learn to delegate. It's fairly straightforward. You're talking about an antique mirror within a double frame, and then a really lovely console. Really what she's going to have to do is do searching on who has consoles available. Are they able to produce them within the next 3 to 4 weeks? We've probably got even longer than that. Okay, yeah. So I think if we do that, we get on with it. She works out the price, gets it ready, starts making the payments. Harry, today we're focusing on so we've got some missing items. From my knowledge, those missing items are the leather panels in the entrance. And we've got 4, 4, 4. Okay, so for every bedroom, we order 4 pillows, 4 pillow cushions, and the duvet that's the right size.
I've literally just been writing down every single thing to make sure.
Yeah, fine. And like I said, what you think is extra, don't worry, we can return. We haven't even received them yet. But just focus on what's missing. We can come as a team to drop those off. I'm on the way to the exhibition circle, which is, I don't know if some of you remember, something I went to last week, and it's something that I have been really privileged to be invited to. It's a group of people who walk around museums and exhibitions and learn about art in real life, which is super, super exciting for me. I'm actually quite late to this exhibition, but I missed the first half because it was actually it was a talk about a ceramicist that I looked up and researched just this morning and realized that it probably wasn't the ceramicist for me. I found the artwork very unique and very special, of course, but personally, for me, it just, invoked a sense of discomfort, actually. They were almost bloody images, bloody visuals, and I'm, just not really into that. So, but I'm very excited. Okay, so I'm just looking through my emails to make sure there's nothing I've missed. And I'm just sending off a quotation for a contractor to a project. Our decorator's children have all caught COVID, and so he now can't go onto site, and we were needing him to do some urgent decorations Monday, and it's now Tuesday, and he hasn't been able to start, so I'm trying to work out if I can get someone else on board.
Oh, sorry, I can't take your call.
And he can't take my call. It's been a bit of a mad scramble trying to get somebody else on board. We are too late for the exhibition, and so I've literally just taken a cab all the way to, or an Uber, all the way to Mayfair, and then realised we don't have time for the exhibition and I have to take another Uber all the way back. So my Uber driver thought it was hilarious. I, in the meantime, am not super upset because, I mean, although I'm upset that I missed the exhibition circle and it's something I, care about, but I got a lot of work done in the car. We didn't stop for a minute. We were making calls, working as we were going there and working on the way back. So, sometimes in life it happens. I am not a big fan of being late, but if it does happen, that's life. To forgive myself and move on. Impossible not to notice, Zayn is back from school and Zayn has something to show me, so I'm going to enjoy this midday interruption. You've only been here for 2 minutes and already there is chaos and drama. If you tickle me, I'm going to tickle you. I'm going to tickle you. Yeah?
My friend gave me this.
Oh, that's so lovely, but there's nothing inside it. What was in here? Well, I got an empty cupboard. They're having all the fun downstairs. He's literally run to the team. So, I actually managed to get only half of what I needed to get done today, unfortunately. Most of the day I got stuck on a computer. We don't generally pitch for projects, but I did really want to for this project because I really like the sound of the client and I really wanted to do this job, so I hope we're going to get it. The rest of the team couldn't do it because they have lots and lots of deadlines over the next 2 weeks, so it was very full-on pressure. Sometimes that's the way this goes. You can't get everything done.
Mama,
Yes, that you want to do. You saw Harriet. Are you going to ruin I feel like you're going to ruin my candle. Oh no, Mommy got that as a present from Net-a-Porter. No. So this is the less relaxed of my children. Can anyone tell he's a lot to handle? Anyway, he's one. Oh no, you ripped it. Oh, but I have an idea. You want to know what my idea is? Why don't we keep it like this? Oh, we could make one like this. You want to make one?
yeah,
You want me to draw it and we can cut it out? Listen, you. Don't my flowers look beautiful?
no.
Oh,
It looks
what?
beautiful bonbon. Sweetie bonbon.
Everyone always says to me, so how do you keep your house so perfect with 3 kids? And I'm like, honestly, I don't. I have a very exciting surprise for my son, who some of you may know just through watching me on Instagram, loves to play the piano. And I had given up trying to teach them to play piano because frankly, nobody wanted to do lessons and it was a fight to get them to do their homework every day, and I just gave up. I just thought, you know what, one day they'll be old enough and if they choose to learn to play piano, then I'll get them a teacher. During lockdown, my son decided to learn the piano on his own. So he's now had a teacher and he's been playing and he plays beautifully, and I am so incredibly proud because it's something I always wanted to do when I was younger. I love music, I sing myself. What I did as a kind of secret surprise is made an appointment to see Coach House Pianos. Coach House Pianos is about 2 minutes from where I live. It is a beautiful place. I've been wanting to walk in ever since it opened. It's the most fabulous, rich, grand space and place, and I'm super, super excited to take my son. I haven't told him where we're going, so I'm literally taking him right from school before his piano lesson today, and I'm gonna whiz him around this showroom and see what he thinks. Can we do the singing one? Go on, go on. Don't go too fast. I heard that you settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true instead. Very difficult. Oh my goodness, what is this? Oh, this is an organ. Your daddy can play this. I can't even remember seeing a more beautiful, exciting place.
Oh no, it's this? No.
It's incredible. There's even a control with this one. I mean, this is absolutely insane. This piano, this is one of the Yamaha pianos. Generally looks better when my son isn't on the floor. That plays itself. I've never seen him so happy. For me as a mum, I just can't tell you what that did for me. And I have made a promise that if he practices every single day and he does a couple of other things that we have on our to-do list in terms of behavior and other things, then I will promise to buy him the piano of his dreams. I am so grateful that you've been watching us and been watching me, and I am loving doing this for you guys. I'm hoping that we will get better and better and provide you with more and more interesting stories and interesting days and value. And for anyone that's going to ask me, because I do sometimes get questions about the things I'm wearing, so I'm going to let you know that today, most excitingly for me, I've got my Smith & Noor jewelry collection on, which I love. My Smith & Noor tasseled jewelry and my Smith & Noor ring on, and up top I'm literally just wearing a big nice comfy jumper from Zara. This is not this season or even last season, I think it was a couple of seasons ago. The jumpers with the big buttons, but I do love a bit of Zara. So that's what I've got on today, and thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, watch, follow, whatever it is I'm supposed to ask you to do, and thank you again. See you very soon.